Boo boo. Such a good girl, my Cane Corso. She's watching the property. We have our neighbor over taking care of our quad. So Miss Zeta's got to make sure she keeps an eye without keeping an eye. She just likes to watch and make sure. You watch and you never know. I want to get off subject, but how about all this vape news? I think it's all crazy. If I was a kid, I'd lie to my parents too, so let's just not even go there. Zeta says, okay, Mom. You're getting serious now. We can't have that. Mama's beautiful, Cane Corso. Mama's Italiana. Italiano. A mastiff. Look at them shoulders. Yeah, she's watching them, but she's staying. Stay. 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 This baby does so good.